Hi, Brian Bachler with MarineMax Clearwater. Today with a video walkthrough of this beautiful 2020 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Of course, this follows a 60-year heritage of remaining unsinkable and one of the safest boats on the water. So let's step aboard and take a look. The boat is powered by twin white Mercury 300 Verado outboards. Of course, 4-stroke, extremely smooth and reliable power. These motors match up perfectly with this boat. Top end in the low 50s, cruise at 40 all day long. Looking at the transom, we'll see we have the cross-tie cleats. Of course, very large live well on the aft transom. Dive door with removable ladder. Stepping into the cockpit, we're going to note we have port and starboard macerated fish boxes on both sides. Cockpit table stores under the lazarette. Wide open space for fishing, of course, but on those days you wish to cruise or need some seating on the way to the fishing ground, one thing Boston Whaler does so well is integrates this seating right into the boat. It's not an afterthought. Very robust hardware. Bucket storage aft. Moving forward to the rear-facing seat, right now we have it in a prep station or serving station mode. We do have a cutting board which we can place on this. We can simply fold it up. Gain a very comfortable rear-facing seat that does have a cooler, or in this case, optional live well integrated below as well. Moving forward, we're going to see a few options. This boat does have the fold-out trolling seats, a nice aft-facing seat in the shade if you're doing a little trolling. And this boat is also equipped with a full electronics package. So we do have the Vessel View 7 for all your engine display data from Mercury, twin Raymarine 16-inch Axiom Pro screens, VHF included. This boat does have joystick piloting as well, make ease of any docking situation, skyhook to keep you in place, and integrated autopilot as well. You can see how nicely Boston Whaler engineers everything into the boat. Flush hardtop mounts, nothing to stub your toes on. Moving forward, we'll see this very spacious head. We do have a sink. Those slots are actually just storage for the rods. We'll get to that in a second. Storage area and a vacuum flush head. And moving forward, we'll see the very fishable and spacious bow. Plenty of seating. One of the best features of this boat is of course, the aft-facing seating in the bow, but this very spacious lounger, very comfortable seat on the way to the fishing grounds or cruising, of course. But underneath integrates another hidden feature. We do have a huge storage garage, so we have rod storage, bucket storage, very easily accessible storage for any of the gear you need to bring on the boat. And finishing off, this boat does have a Raymarine radar as well. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachler at MarineMax Clearwater. We can be reached at 727-536-2628. So come on down, see our in-stock inventory today, or set up a demo and get on the water. Thanks, look forward to seeing you soon.